Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make your video transparent in Premiere Pro. So make sure you leave this black area around your video or your image, whatever you want to export. So I have this 5-second video of this image. Right now I have to export it. I go over to the start of this clip, press I as an in point and the end, and press O as an out point. So this is the area that we will be exporting. Go over to export, and in order to make it transparent, you will need to go over here to format and find QuickTime right here. Then go over to video codec and change it to animation. Now, and this is essential, find where it's depth and change this to 8 bpc plus alpha. Now you can export your video, and now as you can see I will bring it back. So I will find it real quick. Okay, I have it. So then take it, upload it into Premiere, and then move it onto your clip, and as you can see, the image or the video image is transparent. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.